Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, always worrying about how to pay off your debts? If so, welcome to a journey that can change your life. Today, we're diving into the world of financial freedom, specifically how to break free from the chains of debt. It's important because living debt-free means more than just having extra money in your pocket. It's about experiencing the peace of mind that comes from financial stability, the ability to make choices that enhance your life, and the freedom to pursue your dreams without financial constraints. In this video, we'll guide you through easy-to-follow steps to start your debt-free journey, providing you with proven strategies and techniques to eliminate debt fast. Embarking on a debt-free journey might seem daunting, but with the right strategies, it's absolutely achievable. Ready to take the first step? To start, you need to fully understand the debts you owe. Ignorance isn't bliss in this scenario. The first step towards financial freedom is identifying all the debts you have. It's like taking a flashlight into a dark room, revealing what's been hidden. Debts come in different shapes and sizes, and understanding this can help you strategize your repayment plan. Some debts are like friendly ghosts. They're good debts. These could be things like a home mortgage or student loans. They're investments in your future. Then there are bad debts, the ones that drain your finances and give nothing back, like high-interest credit cards or payday loans. Understanding the interest rates attached to your debts can make a world of difference. These rates can be like chains, slowing down your journey towards being debt-free. The higher the interest rate, the more you'll end up paying back in the long run. Knowing what you owe is the first step towards reclaiming your financial freedom. Let's move on to the next step. Now that you know what you owe, it's time to devise a plan to clear these debts. The road to financial freedom may seem daunting, but by constructing a solid debt repayment plan, you'll be one step closer to your goal. Let's start by exploring some popular debt repayment strategies. First up is the snowball method. This strategy involves paying off your smallest debts first, while maintaining the minimum payments on your larger debts. As you roll over what you were paying on your smallest debt to the next one, the amount you are able to pay off snowballs. This method is effective in providing quick wins, which can be a great morale booster. Next, we have the avalanche method. This strategy advocates for paying off your debts with the highest interest rates first. By focusing on debts with the highest interest rates, you'll save money over the long run and get out of debt faster. Both methods have their pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your personal financial situation and your mindset. Whichever you choose, consistency is key. Now let's talk about how to prioritize your debts. Should you focus on the one with the highest interest rate or the one with the largest balance? Generally, it's a smart move to prioritize debts with high interest rates. These debts cost you the most over time, so tackling them first can save you money in the long run. However, if you have a debt with a significantly larger balance, you may want to consider making that a priority. Creating a realistic budget is another crucial step in your debt repayment plan. This budget should include all your income and expenses, with a specific category for debt repayments. Your budget should reflect your financial reality, not an idealized version of it. It's important to be honest with yourself about your spending habits and make necessary adjustments. A well-thought-out repayment plan is your roadmap to becoming debt-free. Stick to it and you'll see progress sooner than you think. Remember, this journey isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Each small step you take towards repaying your debts is a step towards financial freedom. Stay the course and you'll reach your destination. Being consistent and staying motivated are key in this journey, and equally important is avoiding new debts. Persistence is your weapon against the beast of debt. It's not always easy, but remember why you started. Hold on to that vision of a debt-free future and let it fuel your determination. Now let's talk about avoiding new debts. It's like steering clear of potholes on a road trip. You don't want to damage your progress with fresh financial setbacks. Here's a tip. Try to live within your means. Cut back on unnecessary expenses. Treat credit cards with caution. They're not free money, they're future debts. Celebrate your small victories. Every debt cleared, no matter how small, is a step closer to your goal. These celebrations boost your morale and keep you going. Remember, the journey to becoming debt-free is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused, stay committed, and you'll cross the finish line.